Hi, my name is Preetha. I welcome you to my channel today. In today's video, we are going to make a very lovely red meat gravy. This particular recipe is from a very long time ago. I tried it nearly 25 years back in a very small restaurant, more like a hole in the wall kind of a restaurant. Today, I'm sharing this dish with you guys. So stick around until the very end and watch me make it. I'm going to be cooking about 1 kilo of red meat. For this gravy, the first key ingredient is a lot of onions. For 1 kilo of red meat, we're going to be using about 750 grams of onions. Our onions are finely chopped. Now we can go ahead and cut the meat, and next up we can also cut potatoes. So here's a kilo of red meat. For this gravy with a little bit of fat, go ahead and chop it. The pieces should be about 1.5 to 2 inches. A little bit of fat greatly enhances the taste, so try to get the meat with a little bit of fat. So our meat's all chopped up now. We only have potatoes to cut in halves. Grab yourself some potatoes. You can go ahead and grab about 400 grams of potatoes, cut them in halves. If you're one of those people who likes to have a few more potatoes, go ahead and add 200 or even 300 grams more. Heat up some oil and add a half of a cinnamon stick. Stir for a few minutes and then you are ready to add the onions. When the onions are soft and transparent, we can add our powder ingredients. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and salt to taste. Red chili powder is again according to your preference. When the onions change in color and are a bit soft, we will add our meat. Cook on medium heat. At this point, we're going to give it about half a cup of water. Please make sure you have enough water for the meat and the potatoes to cook completely, and a bit of saffron for color. My potatoes are done. You can have this with white rice, you can have this with rotis. Also, try it with pasta. It will definitely go with pasta. If you like this video, make sure you give it a like and share it with your friends. Join me in my future videos by subscribing to my channel. On that note, I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.